Man, the world of AI is rapidly advancing, and sometimes it can feel so scary to even start to navigate this. But that's the point of this video. I want to give you my top 3 AI video editing tools for you to use. Tools that can help you edit faster and remove silent portions of your videos, create lifelike and realistic sounding voiceovers.
Seize the day with a heart full of gratitude and optimism.
Tools that can generate an incredible script for your videos in a matter of seconds. There's a fourth one that I'm going to show you, but it's kind of a fun bonus one. There's a ton of other tools in the software that we're going to be talking about today, and I'm going to leave those for you to discover. But today's video is all about Wondershare Uniconverter. Guys, if we just access Wondershare Uniconverter's open main page, this is what it looks like. You're going to have text-to-speech, AI script generator, smart trimmer, etc. Let's go and open text-to-speech, and I want to just give you a demonstration, a brief demonstration of how incredible this sounds. If I click the little preview button here,
you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink.
Have you ever heard a text-to-speech voice that sounds so realistic?
You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink.
Oh my, I'm pretty sure I know somebody who sounds like that. And we have the ability to change the audio type, right? So if we go to entertainment, let's try articulated.
Tune in for expert insights and thought-provoking discussions.
Tune in for expert insights and thought-provoking discussions.
That sounds incredible to me. It's this simple. So you go to the audio type, the tone of the voice, I'm gonna go deep, and then let's just type something in. All right, once I'm done my prompt, all I need to do is click generate. And then once you're done, it's made a 12-second audio. Let's go ahead and click play.
Hey guys, welcome to my latest YouTube video. We're discussing some AI editing tools you can use to enhance your video creation. Tools like text-to-speech, smart trimming, and script generation.
Man, I mean, I really and genuinely don't think I've heard a more realistic sounding text-to-speech. Like, I kind of want that voice. Hey guys, welcome to my, like, once you're done, go ahead and click export. And there we go, it's done. And we have the MP3 within literally a number of seconds. So if you have your script, you have your text, plug it into the software, choose your audio type, choose your tone, generate it, and you're done. The next AI tool is something called Smart Trimmer. Now I have, personally myself and a lot of my friends, we spend so much time just literally trimming the portions of our video that we're not gonna use. So if I go ahead and open up Smart Trimmer, it gives us this panel. We're gonna add our files, and I've just selected this, how long is this video file? 5-minute video file, it's 5 gigs, and I'm gonna click load. But before I do this, I'm gonna do a test to compare how quick I can edit the silent portions versus how quick Wondershare's Uniconverter can edit the silent portions, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. We're gonna trim the silent portions of the video. I don't even know what's usable and what's not. I guess here to here. Okay, pause. That's how long it took me to do it manually. So that was only a 5-minute video, and I was speaking for a lot of that video. I don't know what the time difference is, but you can see that if you're doing maybe a 20-minute recording, that time is gonna compound so much in the edit, and especially if you're doing multiple videos. Let's jump back to Wondershare and go to that smart trimmer. What I wanna show you is something quite cool. So let me open up that video. What I wanna show you is you can change the volume percentage. So maybe in some things you're speaking to someone else in a softer tone, or maybe you go, and the audible, the volume level is not the same as when you're speaking. You can set the percentage for it to cut, right? So anything under 10%, which is gonna be our vocal range, is gonna be cut. I just leave audio length to 2, and then audio buffer, what you can do is you can set how long on the top and the tail, the beginning and the end of your clip you wanna leave. The longer you leave it, you'll see here, if I click run, it's not really gonna trim anything because it's 3 seconds. But if I go 0.5 and click run, you can see now it's trimming those portions, but it's still leaving 0.5 seconds on the top and tail of our audio. So there it is, there's the smart trimmer, a fantastic way to save time in the edit. It's gonna give you that chopped up file. If we just review this chopped up version, it's cutting and then jumping straight to the next portion where we start to speak. Fantastic tool, I wish I had known about this ages ago. The next one is an AI script generator, and you can see here it says GPT 4.0, so you're getting the latest GPT features in this script generator. Simple prompt, I can change the video type, so we can go promotional vlog, Let's say educational, because that's this channel. Video platform, you can change the video platform. That's going to change the lingo. And then we can change the tone as well. Let's make it casual. I don't like super professional. All right, so we have our script generated, and it is given a shot by shot what to do. Opening shot, upbeat music with the Wondershare Uniconverter logo displayed, host casual and friendly. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of Wondershare Uniconverter. Either I can save it as a text file, or I can copy it to my clipboard. I'm gonna go and close out of here, and I'm gonna just paste our text in here. Now, I would do some subtle changing, like I would remove this top part. And once it's done exporting, it opens up the file. It's 1:48 long. I was kind of right by saying a couple minutes. And if we play that.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of Wondershare Uniconverter, a tool that's...
All right, we get it. It's cool. It's a cool feature. It makes realistic sounding audio, and you can generate scripts, and you can smart trim. That's fantastic. Actually, which voice you think is better, the AI generated voice or my voice? Put it in the comments which voice you think is better. The tool that I've been hiding from you is a GIF maker. How many tools do you know? How many apps do you know that can generate GIFs? All you need to do is open up a video that you want to make a GIF. So I'm going to just open up this video of me. We can change the frame rate, the video length, the size of it, etc., etc. And once we're done, say create GIF. And just like the other one, once it's done, it's opened up the GIF. I made another one just to test, but we can open that up and you can see it's created a GIF for us. I love it, and that can obviously be shared on WhatsApp or whatever else you're using. Those are some of the super cool and fun features in Wondershare Uniconverters. There are so many more tools that you guys can use, so go check it out for yourself. The link is gonna be in the description. Once you click the link, you're gonna have the option to download it both to Mac or Windows, so it doesn't matter what machine you're on. Download it, try it for free, and you guys can let me know what you think of the features yourself. I hope you found this awesome. It's been great to spend this time with you. I'll see you in the next video, everybody. Cheers.